our exclusive interview with Tejasvi Yadav, the chief of the RJD. And there's a very important question that I want to ask him. Mr. Yadav, thank you so much. Straight up, will there be an alliance between you as well as Chirag Paswan? It almost appears as if feelers are being sent.
See, first of all, we all know, even the Bihar state and all nation, they know that why it happened, like why there was problem with the LJP party, why it got broke up. Everyone knows the reason is Nitish Kumar ji. He's been trying a lot to break the party, and he already tried to break it in 2005 also of LJP. But everyone knows that in 2010, when there was no MLA from the LJP and there was no member of parliament from LJP, at that time Laluji made Ramvilas Paswan ji member Rajya Sabha. So we all know that why it happened this time, because थोड़ा सा जो शेष जीवन जो नीतीश जी का बचा हुआ है वो अच्छे से गुजरना चाहते हैं. नीतीश जी is not concentrating on the development of the state or in the pandemic time of the corona, or he's not taking care of Bihar properly, because his total concentration is, and his total politics, if you see, is just adding and subtracting and multiplying with the numbers. He just play with the numbers, and that's why Bihar people, they have given a mandate against Nitish Kumar ji. That's why his party came down to number 3. If you see, he just got the 40 MLAs, and still if you see, he's been just trying to break up the LJP, whatever episode we have seen in the past. But I can surely say, I have extended my support to Chirag Paswan. Whatever had happened, it's not good, because people of Bihar in this episode, if you'll see, that they're with Chirag Paswan, that they think that it didn't happen right. And Chirag Paswan has to decide that he will be going with a bunch of thoughts, or he'll be going with the constitution of this country. So he has to take decision on it. So whatever if talks will come up, then we can only talk about whether we'll be with alliance or not. But if you'll see in our past, Laluji made this all Mahagathbandhan, this idea with all common ideology people, all the light-minded parties. That's why we made a Mahagathbandhan. Even in this time also in Bihar, if you see, we went with Congress party and we went with left parties. We fought together, and there was only difference between like NDA and Mahagathbandhan only of 12,000 votes. We got 1 crore 56 lakh votes. The NDA got 1 crore 56 lakh 12,000 votes. Only 12,000 difference were there. After cheating with around in 10 to 15 seats, our candidates also, they moved to High Court with the evidence that how the election commission or these people, they manipulated it.
Sure. I get a sense, Mr. Tejasvi Yadav, that this is pretty much an open offer that you have made to Chirag Paswan. Number one, what difference is this going to make if it works out? You have put the ball in his court. And number two, do you think that in the future of Bihar lies with the youth and not particularly in Mr. Nitish Kumar? And thus there should be an alliance.
If you see, Bihar is the youngest state of this country, where around 60% of the youth, they are here. But if you see, Nitish Kumar ji is not doing anything for the Bihar or Biharis or for the youth. Even recently, if you see, there is a STET examinations where their results had come, but they are not giving the jobs because there were so many scandal happened in that. Earlier we have seen in metric examination that Sunny Leone got passed in Bihar board. After that, in this STET, we saw that Anupama, who is the Malayalam actress from the south, she got good numbers in that examination. She got passed.
Sunny Leone
but
has
how is
passed
it
an exam
happening?
in
Like,
Bihar.
this is such a shameless thing we can ever seen. Like, not even a proper one board exam they can conduct fairly. This is the worst thing. Whether it's health, if you see in corona, in pandemic times, government was doing nothing. We don't even have a proper hospital people were transferring to the AIIMS. Not even most of the people who got positive, they were home quarantine. And in the hospital, if you'll see, थोड़ा सा बारिश आया, पूरी घुटने तक पानी आ गई थी. There was no medicine, no oxygen, no ICU beds. There was nothing happening. And during the vaccine time, if you'll see, there are few videos which got viral. In one hand, one of the women got injection in one hand, COVID shield, and another hand at the same time, COVID Covaxin vaccine at the same time. And we have seen another video where without a vaccine, nurses are putting needle, giving injection. So this is the time where Nitish Kumar ji should concentrate for the infrastructure of the Bihar, for the youth, for everyone. And we have already, even during the election, our whole agenda was development and Berozgari hatana, 10 lakh vacancies, government jobs dena, create karna. And I guess we are still stick to it. But whoever raising voice against this government, this Tanashah government, आज भी देखिए today, even in your story NDTV, that showed that how lathi charge happened in Patna today also, when people they demanding for the fair result and for the justice. But this government is only of lathi and danda, that's it.
Okay, okay. So I think we'll have to ask Mr. Chirag Paswan whether he accepts this offer. The ball clearly, Tejaswi Yadav says, is in his court for an alliance. Thank you very much, Tejaswi Yadav, for joining us.